Take a look at that brownie, y'all. Freshly baked chocolate fudge. Absolutely delicious. I'm going to show you all exactly what these brownies are looking like. And then I'm going to show you how I made it. Keep watching. Y'all see it? It's so good. It's so good. So if you want to know how your girl Kietha T made these brownies, then keep watching. Don't you go anywhere. Get in here. It's Kietha T. Welcome to my kitchen, y'all. We are going to make some fudge brownies today. I hope you stick around to see how I did it. Absolutely delicious.
Come cook with me. I got the recipe. The way for me. Yeah, we cooking up that energy.
Today we're using Pillsbury chocolate fudge brownie mix. Okay, let's get this bag open and we're going to pour this mix right into our bowl. There we go. This recipe calls for vegetable oil, but I am using coconut oil. We need 2/3 coconut oil. 1/4 cup of water. We will need 2 eggs for this brownie mix today. Egg number 1 going in. And here we go with egg number 2. Let's go ahead and give our mixture a good mix. We're going to keep mixing. This is what it's looking like after stirring for a little bit. Now guys, here we go. I am going to be adding coconut flakes to my brownie mix. Coconut oil and coconut flakes, you talking about something delicious. This is a good time for you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Let's get our baking dish and we are going to spray it with some Pam spray. This will help prevent sticking. And then we're going to take our mixture and just pour it right into our dish. Now, if you've never tried coconut oil, I would highly recommend, y'all. You are in for a real treat with this. We're going to add just a couple of more coconut flakes right on top. And then I'm going to kind of stir it in a little bit. And we're going to put our brownies into a 350-degree oven that has preheated. And we're going to bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Drop in the comments if you like chocolate fudge brownies. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's your girl Kietha T. Thank you so much for watching the video and for your continued support. I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. Y'all be blessed and I'll see you in the next video. One more look, y'all, because it really is that good. Okay, bye now. See you in the next video.